I know what you are thinking when you read the title of this article, Amazing Peanut Butter Diet. I must be whacked out. How can you eat butter made from peanuts and still lose weight? But it is actually true. There are some foodstuffs that boost your metabolism, allowing you to burn calories faster. The diet industry calls them superfoods. Peanut butter is full of protein, which helps to build lean muscle. Muscles burn calories faster than other organs. You will have to forego the jelly and bread though, so sandwiches are out of the picture. If you like smoothies, you can combine the butter with some blackberries, strawberries and blueberries. Add some ice and whisk it all up into a power shake. Of course you can't drink bucket loads of this or sit eating jars of your favorite brand and expect to lose pounds. Life doesn't work like that. You still need to follow a healthy eating program combined with daily exercise. But the sad truth is that most dieters fail as they feel miserable and deprived as soon as they hear the word diet. So if you follow a plan that allows you treats, you are more likely to succeed. You may also want to introduce other power foods such as green and black beans. They help fill you up without adding on loads of calories. You won't always be hungry, which is unusual, particularly at the beginning of most weight loss courses. Eating 4 or 5 small meals a day rather than 3 large ones will also help you to keep shedding the pounds. The worst thing you can do is to try to starve yourself, as your body will think you are actually in danger of starving and will stop you losing any weight at all. Drinking green tea may also help you in your goal to become slimmer. It apparently contains fat-burning agents. They may account for the rather funny taste. Fish is also great for losing weight, but not the deep-fried variety. Tuna and salmon contain omega-3 acids, essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. If you eat the tinned variety, look for those packed in spring water. You do not need the extra salt that comes from brine nor the calories contained in oil. I hope you are getting the idea that losing weight does not mean you have to start surviving on boring salads. You would be depriving your system of vital nutrients and minerals if you were to do this. We need to eat as wide a range of foods as possible. But be sensible, i.e. lean meats, chicken, fruit and vegetable are the way forward rather than bread, cereals and white pasta. Some recent studies have shown that diets high in peanuts and other nuts were great at reducing cholesterol and by connection your risk of heart disease, stroke and other potentially fatal illnesses. So try combining the amazing peanut butter diet with sensible eating and moderate exercise and see how many pounds you lose.